Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris here, and right now I'm at the carnival. Well, actually, technically, the carnival's kind of over because there's no rides here. But tonight's the last official night, and they're doing some fireworks. I'm gonna get some footage of some fireworks for you guys. You know, it's for another video. We might see some of my friends here, so you know, I'll see. You know, we'll just have to see what happens. So, yeah. All the rides are gone, as you can see, but you know, they're still doing the fireworks tonight. Alright. Whoa, that was good. Damn, holy shit, that was loud. Seriously. Don't mess up. All right. Yeah, I'm actually making a YouTube video of this right now.
What?
I'm actually making a YouTube video of this right now.
It's nice.
Yeah, man.
I twisted my ankle running down the hill.
What?
I twisted my ankle running down the hill.
Oh, man, that's gotta hurt. No, sorry about that. Yeah, that was good. Alright. Oh, nice. Good show. Good show. Sweet. Alright. Alright, guys, so that was just some footage of the fireworks display at the end of the carnival. So, anyway, that's all for tonight. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, later, guys.